Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase Wallpaper Engine quality. The first thing I want you to do is open up the Wallpaper Engine app, come here to the top right and click on settings. Now this will open up a pop-up, and what I want you to do from here is go ahead and scroll down until you see quality, and you can first start by increasing the FPS to around 15 to 30, and now we can go ahead and leave anti-aliasing off. Post-processing, we can enable this one, and as you can see, it starts to look much better. You can do ultra if you want. Texture resolution, set it to high quality, and then you can go ahead and enable shadows as well. Just choose which option you want. We'll go ahead and also enable this. There we go. And now we'll keep volumetric lighting also to high. Now, this is what we have chosen, but if you want to go with presets, you can do that one as well. Let's choose, for example, Ultra, and then you can click on OK. This one also includes reflection. But truly that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.